What is up, YouTube family? We're gonna do a workout today. I'm already kind of sweaty, so I'm doing this introduction kind of in the middle of it. So here's Sage. Say hi, Sagey. Hi, guys. So we're gonna do quick workouts. So I'll have the workout description probably over here somewhere, or here, don't know. But we're gonna do it, give you some quick tips, let you follow along. Got a new camera, and we're gonna use it and see how it does. Plus got a vlogging lens, so tell me how it looks. Hopefully it looks a lot better. So we're gonna go through this Sumo Deadlift in 5 sets of 5 today, and then we'll have some good mornings, which I'll also show you. We're just gonna do quick workouts, see how people like that, give some tips here. So I'm gonna get at it. I think I'm on my 5th set now because I had to put the microphone on, but here we go. Sumo deadlifting. What I like to do is whenever I sumo deadlift, I'm trying to pull my glutes, my hamstrings, so I put my feet out a little bit more than I would. I've learned that because it engages those glutes more. You gotta pretend like there's a pencil between your butt cheeks and you gotta squeeze. So that's usually how I do it. So here we go. Lightweight, baby! It really wasn't that light, but you know, we try our best. Next movement we got is good morning. So normally you would probably go down like this and go up. So easy, right? No. So the best thing I've come to the conclusion is use a foam roller to actually simulate something. Basically, keep your hands here, pretend like you got a foam roller here. That way you're engaging the hamstrings and the glutes, and you can feel a lot more. So we just got to pretend that with a barbell on our back. So we'll demonstrate that. 4 sets of 10. Oh yeah, this is for hamstring and glutes. We'll do it with empty barbell first, put it on my back. I hate this movement, by the way, but I've learned to like it some more. So I usually point my feet outwards, pretend like there's that foam roller. And then I go. I probably won't go too heavy on this, but this is a good warm up. And I just push my butt to the back was the other thing. So for the 4 sets of 10, we'll probably stick till 115 here and go from there. I'll let you see 1 set of this because watching 4 sets is boring. You don't have to do that fast. Slow it down, people. So I got through the sumo deadlifts and the good mornings, which is the main movements here. We got hamstrings and glutes pretty much today. So next movement we're gonna do is the workout. So we're gonna do pretty much deadlifts, burpees. It's just sit-ups. I wanna do GHDs because it's more fun that way. Plus I'll make it 12, 12, 12, and 12. Like I said, I'll put it here somewhere, that way you can see. And then I'll get a few images of me doing deadlifts, terrible burpees, and some GHDs, which hopefully we won't go into rhabdo. Fun fact, GHDs is the most common, probably, there's probably no study on it, the reason CrossFitters go into rhabdo, but that's after like 1 million of them. So look out for dark colored urine, body aches, and things like that. Sage says, "Don't go into rhabdo, Dad." Thanks. Oh yeah, on burpees, if you keep your legs spread like this and come up like this, saves you a little bit of time. So do that, people. Do that. And fall down on your chest. If you're gonna do it 4 times. I've lost count. It's okay. I'll just keep dying. I think that's 10. Maybe. Some internet troll will tell me. Right. And the last movement I'm gonna make is the GHD. Make sure this is locked, people. You don't wanna die. That almost happened to me once, so it's a very hard lesson to learn. I need to take the microphone off here because I'm gonna die. Hang on. Oh, that's 3. That's 4. That's 5. That's 6. Hey, these are magnetic. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I love these microphones. Now, just do that 5 more times. Just got done, real sweaty, real hot. I feel terrible. So here I am, trying to make it right now. So good workout. Deadlifts were kind of light, but as I've always said, you can make everything worse if you just go faster. So like, subscribe to the channel. We'll keep doing short content. I'm out.